This is the EVA, the flagship fireplace from J C Bordelet. Substantial 360-degree circular wood burner. At the base of the canopy we're 1170mm. You get that beautiful shape, lovely flared canopy, no seams, welds, screws, fixings, the absolute Bordelet identity. Combustion chambers 840mm diameter, and that's created by circular glass panels, 2 fixed and then 2 sliding panels opposite for ease of access to refuel and to maintain the fireplace. You can refuel there, so, and then close that nice and easy. Within the base pedestal is the ash pan. So when you're cleaning the fireplace out, you sweep the ash, drops down into this ash pan, which is easily removed then to be discarded. This fireplace is shown in the standard anthracite colour. There's 4 colour options in the Bordelet range, standard paints. They are black, anthracite grey, taupe and chocolate brown. In addition to that, you have the option to upgrade to the luxurious high gloss lacquer finishes. Choose any from the RAL spectrum, there's 180 odd in there. A couple of examples here. Or the exclusive Brut Raw, which is in a raw finish and also a dark shade. The other customisable element is this surface around the base perimeter. We've shown it in grey tiles, which are those. There's also buff tile, which is an option where you can have either tile and have that a smooth steel surface which is painted to match the fireplace. Final thing to say with the EVA is, we've shown it here as a wood burner. It's also available as a high efficiency balanced flue gas fire, and we also do an electric conversion which we've utilised in public spaces in prestigious venues around the country. The EVA.